Okay, so now we have a third scenario. Again, we have the same inverse demand function, but now we have a supply function which is horizontal. So let's draw again everything. And actually, let's see if I can make that a little bit bigger. So we start again with our demand function, which goes from 8 to 8. Okay, that's a little bit better. Then the supply function, so demand. Then our supply function, that is a horizontal line. And in practice, whenever we have a horizontal supply function, what that means is that the supply is very elastic. Very often we associate that with a small country scenario that faces imports from the world, and then the supply of the world is so huge that we can think of it as a horizontal supply function. So, but anyhow, what's more important now in this scenario is the welfare analysis. So obviously the price is now 2. The equilibrium quantity is 6. And there is now no producer surplus, everything is consumer surplus. So everything is total welfare is consumer surplus, and so that is this area here, and this is 6 times 6, 36 over 2, 18. And so there's no producer surplus. So what is the equilibrium price? So the equilibrium price, we said, is 2. The equilibrium quantity is 6. The quantity demanded is 6. Quantity supplied is 6. Quantity turned over is 6. Consumer surplus, we said, is 6 times 6, 36 over 2, that's 18. Producer surplus is 0, there is no area below the equilibrium price and the supply function, so the producer surplus is 0, and total welfare is then also 18, which is everything just consumer surplus. So consumer surplus is equal to total surplus. Okay, so those were different scenarios of market equilibria, and beginning with the next problem set, we start analyzing market distortions.